Welcome to MSH Math. This is Sharjeel. In this lecture, we shall see how to add fractional numbers. Do you know what are fractional numbers? Fractional numbers can be written in the form of P by Q, where P is called numerator and Q is called denominator. Or you can say in the fractional number, the number on the top is numerator and the number at the bottom is a denominator. Let's take an example. We have to add 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. In this example, 2 and 3 are numerators and the number 4 which are at bottom is called denominator. However, fractions can be divided into two parts. First one is proper fraction and the second one is improper fraction. Let's take again a general fraction P by Q, where P is a numerator and Q is a denominator. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, we have fractions 1 by 4, 7 by 9, 3 by 4. However, the improper fractions are the fractions in which P is greater than or equal to Q, or the numerator is greater or equal than the denominator. For example, 7 by 4, 4 by 4 and 9 by 4. These all are the improper fractions. As you can see, numerators are whether greater or equal. So, both of these two fractions are proper fractions. To add the fractional numbers, first step is to make the denominators equal. In this case, our denominators are already equal to 4. If these are not equal, then multiply the denominators with some integer to make them equal. We shall see in the next example. After making them equal, write this at the denominator place, whereas sum the numerator numbers at the numerator place. It will become 5 by 4. Here you can see the numerator is greater than denominator. So our answer is in improper fraction. Never write the answer in improper fraction. Always convert it into mixed number form. So how can you do that? First, divide the numerator with the denominator. Here, this is called divisor, this is called dividend, this is called quotient, and this is called remainder. Now you have to find the equivalent mixed number. Rotate this division at 90 degrees. Now you can see quotient is on the left, remainder is at right, and divisor at the bottom. So 5 by 4 will be equal to 1, 1, 4. This is the equivalent mixed number form of the fraction 5 by 4. This is the final answer, but also remember the mixed numbers has two parts, the integer part and the fractional part. So you can write the mixed number as 1 plus 1 by 4. Here 1 is the integer part and 1 by 4 is the fractional part of that mixed number. Let us take another example. Add 2 by 3 with 3 by 4. Here the denominators are not equal. So first we have to make them equal. As the LCM of the denominator numbers is 12. So we have to make denominator equal to 12. This can be obtained by multiplying this fraction with 4 at the numerator and denominator and this fraction by 3 at numerator and denominator. Now the fractions will become 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. Now write 12 ones in the denominator and add the numerator numbers, which is 8 and 9. So 8 plus 9 equals 17 and 12 as it is. So our answer is 17 by 12. Again, you can see the numerator is greater than the denominator. So again, we have to convert this improper fraction into a proper fraction by dividing 17 with 12. Again, rotate this division at 90° counterclockwise for best understanding. Now write 1 at the left, 5 at the right, and 12 at the bottom. So this is the final answer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share this knowledge with friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.